Genetics play a huge role in determining your skin type, and finding out if your skin is normal, dry, combination, or oily is the first step in designing a skincare routine that works for you. Start by washing your face and see how it looks and feels after a few minutes if you don't apply any skincare products. If it feels balanced and comfortable, you've got normal skin. If it feels tight and isn't super shiny or oily, you may have dry skin. If your T-zone is oily, but your cheeks are on the drier side, you've got combination skin. If your skin looks shiny, then you have oily skin. Whether you're a dry skin diva or a combination queen, the secret to happy, healthy skin is having effective products that are made for your skin type. Washing your face twice daily, yes, morning and night, is a must. It's your chance to wash the day away, refresh post-beauty rest, and prep your skin for the rest of your skincare routine. Skin type-specific cleansers can help you get the hydrated or mattified skin of your dreams. Mary Kay Hydrating Cleanser effectively removes impurities and oil and doesn't leave skin feeling stripped of necessary moisture. So skin feels hydrated, fresh, and soft after you use it, not tight or dry. If you're all about the matte look, try Mary Kay Mattifying Cleanser. It effectively removes impurities and excess oil to help reduce shine. So skin feels fresh and soft after cleansing, not tight or dry. If you want a more radiant complexion, exfoliate after cleansing 2 to 3 times a week. This helps you remove dead skin cells, so new skin cells can surface. Mary Kay Exfoliating Scrub helps polish away dead skin cells and unclog pores, so your skin can better absorb the next steps in your healthy skin routine. It leaves skin looking soft and smooth and feeling deeply cleansed. Who doesn't want that? Toners provide additional benefits to skin post-cleanse and serve as a refreshing prep step for the rest of your routine. Mary Kay Balancing Toner helps restore skin's balance without drying it out. After using this refreshing toner, skin looks healthy and vibrant, and it doesn't leave behind residue or impurities. Did you know skin is about 60% water, and all skin, including oily skin, can become dehydrated? Thankfully, moisturizing twice daily with a moisturizer designed for your skin type helps you get the healthy appearance we all crave. Mary Kay Hydrating Moisturizer gives your skin the daily hydration it needs morning and night. The lightweight, gentle formula delivers increased levels of moisturization, so skin feels hydrated. Mary Kay Mattifying Moisturizer also gives your skin that much-needed daily dose of hydration morning and night. But this lightweight, gentle formula absorbs fast and mattifies oil, so skin looks beautifully matte. Customize your routine with other products based on your skin goals, budget, or seasonal skin changes. Can you say dry in the wintertime? Pre-cleanser steps like eye makeup remover and micellar water are musts if you wear makeup. While post-cleanser steps like a me-time mask or hydrogel eye patches can add targeted benefits with a side of pampering. And don't forget SPF as your final skincare step so you can confidently catch some rays. Stumped on where to start? Create your custom routine with your independent beauty consultant.